Hello and welcome to Technical Utkranti, and today we are seeing the 14th question in arrays in data structures and algorithm series. So let's get started. And these are the questions that we have done in the arrays subset till now. And today we'll be implementing the power function. So if I have to calculate x raised to the power of n, then there are two approaches. First approach is to multiply x with itself n times or divide x with itself n times depending on whether n is positive or negative. This is a linear time approach and it is a naive approach anyone could come up with. The second and the faster approach is of log n time complexity, and it works on the principle of the fact that 2 to the power of 100 is equals to 4 to the power of 50, which means that if I can multiply the number with itself, I can divide the power by 2, right? So let's directly jump into the implementation. So I have written this power function. X is the number and n is the power to which the number has to be raised. What I am doing is I am just calculating the absolute value of the power, because power could be both positive or negative, and then later on I will check whether it is negative. I will just calculate the reciprocal of the of whatever I have calculated over here and return it. So sine part of the power is taken here. This is the main crux of the algorithm. What it does is, if the power is odd, I will multiply to the answer the number once and subtract the power by 1. This makes sense. And if the power is even, then I can multiply the number with itself and reduce the power by dividing it by 2. So for example, if I have 2 to the power of 100, I will straight away come over here and x, which was earlier 2, will become 4 and power will become 50. Again, in the second iteration, I will come here and then my number would become 16 over here and power will become 25. So meaning to say, the calculation would go on like this, and ultimately the answer would get saved in this particular resource and we'll get the answer. So let's see what do I get over here for 2 to the power of 10, let's say. So initially I have n equals to 10, then it is 5, then from 5 it will go to 4, then 4 to 2, 2 to 1, right? If you try with 2 to the power of 100, you will get very few iterations only, you will not get a lot of iterations. So I hope this was clear to you, and yeah, that's it. Thank you. Bye bye.